What's up, online shoppers? I want to show you this absolutely gorgeous deck box that I bought that doubles as a seat on my deck, which is super convenient. This is the YITAHOME 32-gallon rattan resin deck box, and it is something pretty awesome because it doubles as seating on your deck. It's a great place to stow and stash, and you can even use it to put your online parcel deliveries so that they're not sitting out on your step for everybody to see. Now, here's what I love about this. It is crafted from weatherproof, UV resistant resin material. It's fade proof, so you don't ever have to worry that it's not going to blend into your furniture or it's going to get a faded, roughed up look. I have some from this same brand that I've had for 5-10 years plus, sitting outside, getting the beating sun, the weather, our northern winters, and they still look as great as the day I bought them. Something else that's cool about this is there's multi-purpose functionality. It has a really nice lid here. You can see the reinforcements on the inside of the lid. It goes together super easy. You've got this together in under 10 minutes. No hardware required. All you have to do is line up the sides, give it a good pop with your hands, and it is together. The other thing that's cool about this is this lid here is actually lockable. So there's two little holes right in here that you can put a padlock through, which is going to make this a more secure way to store things. If you don't want kids getting into fertilizer, into grass seed, into dog food, anything else that you might store inside one of these cool little boxes. Now, specs wise, this is 32 gallons. It's 22 across by 20 high by 17. Really nice, super sturdy resin rattan material. Really great for handling all of the demands of outside weather conditions. Also has handles here. Makes it great for small space owners. You can put it on condo balconies, you can put it on decks. Wherever you need storage and seating, it's absolutely a win. If you are an outdoor enthusiast, this is a great place to keep your pool toys, your gardening tools, your seat cushions. It's weather tight and it's super sturdy, and you can even sit on it if you need to without any trouble whatsoever. This is a fantastic little deck box that fits into my backdoor life, gives me a place to store all my pool chemicals, all the things I need for my hot tub right on my deck, and it doubles as a seat or as a little table where I can put a beverage when I'm sitting in the hot tub enjoying the nice foamy suds. Climate proof design is great, keeps the weather out and whatever you have inside in here in great condition, and that's why this YITAHOME 32-gallon rattan deck box is a family favorite at my house.